Welcome to Learn Cebuano Fast. I hope you enjoy our podcast. Please like and subscribe. Let's get on with the show.
Maybe, perhaps.
Tingali. Tingali. Tingali.
Might, maybe.
Basin, basig. Basin, basig. Basin, basig.
Should, ought to.
Angay. Angay. Angay.
Should, must, commonly used.
Dapat. Dapat. Dapat.
Probably, maybe.
Siguro. Siguro. Siguro.
Maybe it will rain later.
Tingali molan anya. Tingali molan anya. Tingali molan anya.
She might be late.
Base na late siya. Base na late siya. Base na late siya.
You should help him, her.
Angay nimo siyang tabangan. Angay nimo siyang tabangan. Angay nimo siyang tabangan.
You should study hard.
Dapat magtuon ka pag-ayo. Dapat magtuon ka pag-ayo. Dapat magtuon ka pag-ayo.
I might have time tomorrow.
Basig makalugar ko ugma. Basig makalugar ko ugma. Basig makalugar ko ugma.
Maybe that is true.
Tingali tinuod na. Tingali tinuod na. Tingali tinuod na.
She might have forgotten.
Basin nakalimot siya. Basin nakalimot siya. Basin nakalimot siya.
Should I go?
Angay ba ko mode to? Angay ba ko mode to? Angay ba ko mode to?
You should always take care.
Dapat ampong kakanunay. Dapat ampong kakanunay. Dapat ampong kakanunay.
Maybe you will like this.
Basin og danahan kaani. Basin og danahan kaani. Basin og danahan kaani.
Maybe I will go. I will probably go.
Siguro modto ko. Siguro modto ko. Siguro modto ko.
Maybe just tomorrow instead.
Tingali ugma na lang. Tingali ugma na lang. Tingali ugma na lang.
She might get angry.
Basig masuko siya. Basig masuko siya. Basig masuko siya.
It is only right should that we give thanks.
Angay lang nga magpasalamat ta. Angay lang nga magpasalamat ta. Angay lang nga magpasalamat ta.
She probably will not arrive today.
Dilitin gali siya moabat karon. Dilitin gali siya moabat karon. Dilitin gali siya moabat karon.
I want to share a few quick ways you can accelerate your learning and support the show. First, head over to www.linguafile.com. That's linguafyle.com to check out our amazing dual reader articles and language learning apps. You can also support the podcast by getting our official companion book to study alongside the episodes. And finally, if you just want to drop a quick tip, please consider donating through the Buy Me a Coffee link in the show notes below. Every little bit helps. All right, are you ready? Let's jump into today's episode.